All right, guys, welcome back. Jamie with Shine Guys. So watch this whole video. It's gonna help you. You know, this is a tutorial, but I'm gonna be doing it anyway. You might as well watch and you might as well learn. This is gonna help you guys out. You're gonna go take a class. You're gonna go do something like that. This is the class right here. Doing a paint correction just takes time. All right, cool. Jacked up paint, you see it? Really beat up paint, okay? I'm gonna do a two-step. We might do a three-step on it. But anyways, let's do a half. Let's get it going. I got the new, it's a DeWalt rotary M100 blast out. I'm gonna blast the half of the hood with my rotary. This is really not good for a whole job. This is good for spots, especially if you're doing little sand jobs. It's still a decent power, it's gonna do the job, but it's not, you know, you don't wanna use it every day unless you're only doing small spots. It's perfect for that. So this is gonna be good for just doing this hood. All right, guys, so now I rotary this whole thing, this whole spots, still tracks. Now I'm gonna go on my microfiber. It's SM Arnold, these pads, same thing, M100. Pads red, because I just did a single stage red car, that's why it's red, so got dyed. So always good to always clean out your pad. You want your pad always. Okay, so now switch pads, yellow pad, Rupes, ultra fine, Rupes. So the combo on this was microfiber, SM Arnold, and microfiber SM Arnold M100, Rupes, and yellow pad. All I'm gonna do is light pressure, nothing crazy. Knock out that little amount of haze that other pad left. All right, I think we got it. So now I'm just gonna get my Eco Wash, just lightly mist it. And then I'm gonna wipe off all that compound, or all my polish. All right, guys, so I hit it before with that yellow pad, and I didn't like the clarity that it was giving me, so I'm gonna switch to a little bit more aggressive. This is the Lake Country, I think HDO orange pad. Same ultrafine compound. Let's see if I can get that finish right. Like I said, this is what we do here for work, so you gotta constantly change. You gotta have all the pads you would need because every paint's different, especially if the same process I'm doing here is gonna be different than what I'm doing on the plastic. Plastics and metals, aluminum finishes and metal finishes, it's always gonna heat. The heat's gonna play a big, contribute a lot to how it's gonna finish out. So it's gonna be really fast, you know, just one good pass. All right, looks like I think we got it. We got this paint to pop. Knocked down that haze pretty good. Let's do a wipe down. So it went from that pretty trash paint. Follow the light to that. So obviously this car has a ton of little rock chips pitting from sand. We knocked down these rock chips. These are all little rock chips. We touched up those on the previous video. So if you want to see how we did that, watch the other video. All right, guys. Some finicky Audi paint, back to life, make another happy customer. All right, guys, I'm Jamie, J&G Auto Reconditioning. This is legitimate work. So follow, like, subscribe, hit us up. You don't need to go anywhere else. This is where it's at, I'm telling you. Like, ain't no one else. You're gonna go pay somewhere, you're gonna go do this. This is free content. All we need you to do is like it, maybe share it, maybe go on there and talk shit. I don't care, whatever. Thank you guys for watching.